As a practice owner, I'm dealing with several demands which I'm facing during my daily practice. So when it comes to patients have less time, and their demands on the treatment are a very predictable outcome by less costs. So this actually asks for an efficient treatment, efficient for them and efficient for me. And that is where Smile in a Box comes in and gives me a possible solution for it. So in the workflow of my practice, I'm going more and more digital. So the whole process of collecting data from the patient is now nearly fully digital. And this actually enters the process of Smile in a Box in a perfect way. So it's less time consuming, it's more efficient for me in my practice, it's more efficient for the patient, and it is a safe, predictable outcome in the end for a happy patient.